Hello everyone, I myself Vijay Kumar Mandal from Radha Krishna Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Patel Nagar, Jogwani. Today I am going to teach you the use of preposition in English grammar, that's use of on, at, in, of and for. First of all, try to understand the preposition. What is preposition? So prepositions are the words that join a noun, pronoun or the noun phrase and make a sentence complete. However, learning preposition is a little tricky and hence you should be conscious while reading a book or other documents and check the uses of the prepositions. For examples, to the office, on the table, about myself, in a few minutes, at my place, etc. Here, to, about, in, and it are the prepositions. It has two sections, pre and positions. Pre means before and position means placement. Now try to understand 6 preposition rules. Rule first, a preposition must have an object. All prepositions have objects. If a preposition does not have an object, it is not a preposition. It is probably an adverb. A preposition always has an object, or an adverb never has an object, such as they are in the kitchen. So in this sentence, preposition in has object the kitchen. Rule 2, preposition means place before the name. Preposition indicates that a preposition usually comes before something, its object, such as I put it in the box. But even when preposition does not come before its object, it is still closely related to its objects. Rule 3, a preposition following preposition should be in object form. The noun or pronoun that follows a preposition forms a preposition and object. If it is pronoun, it should be therefore be in the objective form. Me, her, them, not subjective form, such as I, she, they. Rule 4, Preposition forms. Preposition have no particular form. The majority of prepositions are one word prepositions, but some are two or three words and a phrase. So what do we say? So we say about complex preposition. Rule 5. To preposition and to infinitive are not the same. Do not confuse the infinitive particle to, such as to sing, to live, with the prepositions to London, to me, this type. Rule 6. The golden preposition rule. A preposition is followed by a noun. It is never followed by a verb. Now we are going to study some uses of preposition. To noun, use of on. On refers a surface of something, such as I kept the dishes on the dining table. So here on specifies day and dates. You can also take some examples for this. I will come on Monday. Monday is the example of day. Next, use of 8. 8 indicates a place, such as there are a good number of people at work. It refers an email address. Please mail in detail at the rate of radha@def.com. It also refers a time. Meet me at 5 p.m. tomorrow. It also indicates one's activity. John laughed at my acting in the play. Next, we are going to study the use of in. In indicates a location, such as I am in my friend's place now. It also indicates while doing something. The tasking should be catchy in marketing a product. It also indicates opinion, belief, feeling, etc. I believing in my hard working. It also specifies day, month, season, year, etc. Examples. I prefer to do maths in the morning. It also indicates color, shape and size, such as this dress comes in 4 sizes. Next, we are going to use of tube. It indicates the direction, place, such as the friends went to the restaurant. It also indicates relationship. Do not respond to my annoying persons. It also indicates the limit. The old newspapers were filed up to the roof. It also refers period. I am here from 10 to 5. Now, uses of offer indicates relating to, belonging to. I always dreamed of being famous. It also indicates references. This is a picture of my last birthday. It also specifies the number or an amount. A good number of people understand Hindi. Next, use of or. It indicates the reason or because of, such as I am really happy for you. For indicates the duration of time. I attended the session for an year only. It also specifies the use of something, such as she is preparing for her final exam. So these were the uses of the prepositions of this word. Thank you very much.